Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open an elevated command prompt and create a system restore point so you can revert changes if needed. Run sfc/scano to repair core files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch good component store data. Once done, restart Windows. This often resolves corruption by replacing damaged system resources. Make sure to keep the window open and note any error codes. They guide the next steps if file repairs fail or report pending operations. You'll now fix the deeper causes. First, export the registry keys tied to the recycle bin so you can restore them if needed. Then use $C\recycle. bin/reset/t to repair permissions recursively. Incorrect ACLs block normal operation. If corruption persists, delete the hidden $recycle. Bin folder on affected drives, Windows will recreate it on reboot. These changes reset state and permissions. Make sure to run them as administrator and confirm deletions before restarting to avoid. Finish by rebooting so Windows can reconstruct the recycle bin and apply repaired registry entries and ACLs. This usually completes the fix. If files still vanish or errors continue, run chkdsk/f on the drive to repair disk-level corruption that can corrupt recycle bin metadata. As a troubleshooting tip, if you encounter serious errors after edits, immediately use the restore point or import the exported registry keys to revert changes. This rollback protects your system while you reassess the next course of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.